Image. First of all, it's really gorgeous, and it's teeming with galaxies. And that's something that has been true for every image.
Imagine this. For decades, black holes have been treated as the ultimate mystery in science. Cosmic monsters that devour everything, even light itself. According to Einstein's relativity, once you cross the event horizon, the point of no return, you're gone forever. Not even information can escape. That's why for centuries scientists told us that photographing what's inside a black hole was impossible. But now something has changed. The James Webb Space Telescope, the JWST, humanity's most powerful eye in space, may have just captured the first ever image from inside a black hole, and what it revealed left astronomers stunned, terrified, and asking whether we've just witnessed proof that our universe is far stranger than anyone imagined. Before we get to what Webb captured, let's rewind. Back in 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope gave us our very first blurry image of a black hole shadow, a glowing ring around the supermassive black hole in the galaxy M87. That was groundbreaking. But let's be clear, it wasn't the inside of a black hole. It was simply the glowing gas swirling around the edge just before falling in. The inside has always been hidden. According to physics, once light crosses the event horizon, it can't escape. That means no telescope, no matter how powerful, should ever be able to see what is within. And yet, that's exactly what Webb scientists claim to have done. The James Webb Telescope was designed to look at the oldest galaxies, the first stars, and the faintest signals from across billions of years. Its infrared eyes can peer through dust, clouds, and light years of distance with unmatched clarity. But a team of researchers recently decided to try something daring. They pointed Webb's instruments directly at the supermassive black hole at the center of our own Milky Way, Sagittarius A star. They weren't expecting to see inside. At most, they hoped to measure light distortion, gravitational lensing, or strange energy patterns. Instead, what came back was something so shocking many on the team hesitated to even release the data. When Webb focused on Sagittarius A*, its infrared sensors began picking up strange flickers of light. Light that shouldn't exist. Remember, nothing escapes past the event horizon. And yet, the data clearly showed structured bursts of light, almost like patterns coming from inside. At first, skeptics argued it had to be an error. Maybe interference, maybe reflection, maybe even Webb's instruments misfiring, but then the team processed the raw image. What they saw made their jaws drop. For the first time in history, Webb captured what looked like a visual structure inside the black hole. Not just random static, not just distortion, but a formation of patterns almost like architecture. If this is real, it would mean Einstein's general relativity is incomplete. The very foundation of modern physics, the belief that nothing can escape a black hole, would be shaken. But this wouldn't be the first time black holes challenged physics. Think about it. Stephen Hawking predicted Hawking radiation, faint energy escaping black holes, which seemed impossible. Quantum mechanics says information can't be destroyed, but relativity says black holes destroy everything. The result, the black hole information paradox, one of science's greatest puzzles. Now, Webb may have given us a clue. According to early leaks from the Webb research team, the image isn't just light. It's organized light arranged in what looks like almost spirals, corridors, or luminous pathways. One scientist speaking off the record described it like this: "It's as if we are looking into another space. Not destruction, not chaos, something structured, something designed." Some theorists immediately jumped to speculation. Could this be evidence of a white hole, a deep theoretical opposite of a black hole where matter is expelled instead of swallowed? Others wonder, did Webb actually capture a glimpse of another universe inside? And the most radical theory is that what we're seeing is not natural at all, but artificial. This is where things get truly unsettling. If black holes are not just cosmic vacuum cleaners, but gateways, then what Webb saw could be more than just energy patterns. Some scientists suggest they could be technological signatures. Imagine an advanced civilization using black holes as gateways, constructing megastructures inside them, harnessing their energy, or even using them as portals to travel across space and time. If that sounds like science fiction, remember the concept of using black holes for travel exists in Einstein's own equations. Wormholes, bridges through space-time, are mathematically possible. Could Webb have just given us proof? Since the leak, NASA and ESA have remained unusually quiet. Officially, Webb's Sagittarius A** images are still under review. Unofficially, insiders claim the agency is debating how to release the information without sparking panic or wild speculation. But one thing is clear: this discovery could rival the moon landing, the discovery of exoplanets, even the detection of gravitational waves. Because for the first time, humanity may have looked into the abyss and the abyss looked back. So what does this mean? If Webb truly captured an image inside a black hole, we must ask, is it natural, some exotic quantum effect we don't understand yet? Is it proof of Hawking's theories or something entirely new? Or is it evidence of intelligence, something using black holes in ways we can't imagine? In either case, the universe just became a far more mysterious and possibly more dangerous place. And this is only the beginning. When the raw image first came in from the James Webb Telescope, scientists were already stunned. But raw telescope data often looks fuzzy and incomplete. To make sense of it, researchers at NASA and ESA began enhancing the image layer by layer using Webb's unmatched infrared resolution. And that's when the real shock arrived. The enhanced image revealed something impossible: a luminous spiral pattern inside Sagittarius A star. Not outside, not around the event horizon, but seemingly within. Imagine staring into the eye of a hurricane, expecting only darkness, only chaos. Instead, you see an elegant spiral glowing faintly like a cosmic fingerprint etched into the very fabric of spacetime. The spiral wasn't random. It showed symmetry, balanced spacing, almost like design. At first, astronomers thought it could be gravitational lensing, light bent and distorted by the black hole's gravity. But simulations didn't match. The spiral wasn't bending outward like lensing. It seemed to originate from inside. The deeper scientists analyzed the data, the stranger it became. Within the spiral were repeating bursts of infrared light, pulses that looked eerily similar to signals. One physicist described it like this: it's not noise. It's not random. It's almost as if someone or something wanted us to see it. Imagine hearing Morse code coming from the one place in the universe where no signals should escape. That's what Webb's team was facing. And here's where things get even more fascinating. When Webb magnified the spiral, it seemed to contain smaller spirals within it. And inside those, even smaller patterns. A fractal design repeating endlessly like a mathematical equation woven into the space itself. This isn't something nature produces often. In fact, fractals are usually associated with mathematics, algorithms, and even computer-generated designs. Could this be proof of some kind of information encoding? A message written into the very light escaping from the black hole? Some astrophysicists jumped on a radical explanation. Maybe Sagittarius A* isn't just a black hole. Maybe, just maybe, it's connected to a white hole. A white hole is the theoretical reverse of a black hole. Instead of swallowing matter, it spits it out. Some theories suggest black holes and white holes could be two ends of a cosmic tunnel, a wormhole. If that's true, then Webb's image might not be showing the inside of a black hole at all. It could be showing light escaping from the other side, from another part of the universe, or maybe even another universe entirely. But what if it's more than just natural physics? What if what Webb captured isn't random at all?